Hey everyone, I hope the camera is not super blurred out. I'm so sorry for the blur video the last few times just because this camera keeps having difficulties. But as you can see on the title, I'm going to be unboxing Beauteque with you guys. Beauteque is a Korean beauty online retail store. Also have a monthly subscription if you want to be part of that program. Great deals. But today I'm going to show you guys what they're having for their Black Friday sale and their holiday sets, which is a limited edition set. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and before we jump right into the product, please don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos from me. So before we get started, I'm going to tell you guys the two boxes I have. They are limited edition holiday set and are one-time purchases. So the premium beauty box is $29.99 and the Mask Maven is $14.99. The beauty box has 8 items that are skincare, makeup, and body care, and then the Mask Maven is just 15 sheet masks. Because they are limited edition boxes, they are not part of the monthly subscription box. They are just a one-time purchase. And because these are limited edition boxes, they will sell out and they will not be returning back. So I highly recommend that if you love anything that I showed today, please just grab it with no hesitation. So please check out their website. The link is down below in the description. So onto the unboxing part. First, they sent me a really cute holiday card that just says Happy Holidays. How adorable. So the first box they sent me is this Mask Maven. It's in this really cute mint green. And on the side it says BoutequeMonthly.com. This Mask Maven is limited edition. It's $14.99, and so you can see this is the premium box. It says Premium Mask Maven Limited Edition 2018. So it comes in this little brochure, and then on the back it gives you a 30% off month-to-month subscription. And it says, "A gift for you. We hope you enjoy this Korean beauty gift set. Open up the card inside to see what's inside." And then it talks about both of the subscription they have, which is a mask or a beauty box. And then the inside just shows you every mask they have curated in here. Let's open up the mask. This is so adorable. Look, it says "Smile" with a little Polaroid camera. I hope you guys could see that. I'm so sorry that the room is shaking because we have construction workers working literally across the street from my apartment, and I always forget that they're super loud and they shake the entire apartment. So the first mask is this foot and heel peeling mask. But this is what it looks like. It's a cute pink mask. What's inside? Yeah, and so it comes with like a what is that word? You know, like you have a shower cap. So this comes with like a heel cap and a foot cap, so that you can put the mask on and then cover it, so it doesn't look weird. I'm gonna have to try that mask on Andrew. The next mask is Annie's Way. This is a ginkgo seaweed eye mask. Oh, this is a really cute and pretty color. Also really interesting instructions, if you can see, like that. And then the next mask is a lip mask called SOS My Lips Patch. Oops. I have never heard of this brand before, so I'm excited to try this out. This is a really nice plum pink. And then Tony Moly. Okay, I've heard of Tony Moly. This is their Panda Dream Eye Patch. I have seen a lot of their Korean product at Urban Outfitters, but I've never really tried it. But this is really interesting. This is over the eyelid, if you can see from the instruction. Next mask is a hand care pack. Wow, I'm really interested to try these. Never tried any foot or hand care. I only done like the foot care on Andrew, but I never done it for myself. So I'm really excited to try this. So I've never tried from this brand before, but really interesting. And then this is a bubble mask. This is a soda bubble mask. It's lime and lemon. Very interesting. I think it's gonna bubble while it's on your face. That's gonna be quite intense. Okay, and then this Rose Skin Safety Mask. I've actually tried this before from Subtle Glam. I've seen this at Urban Outfitters. Okay, Innisfree, I've tried all of their I've tried all of their sheet masks. Love Innisfree, so I'm excited to try this as well. Let me use it. Girls on Period mask. This is very interesting concept. I guess you put this on your face when you're on your period so that you can balance your oil and dull skin and to not break out. Interesting. A honey essence mask sheet. I haven't tried from this Korean brand before. It's called Esfolio. Haven't tried this, but it's really adorable. Okay, the next mask is another one from Esfolio. This is a pearl essence. This is actually really adorable. Okay, and then this is a deep purifying volcanic mask. Oh, I wonder if this is from the volcanic brand. No, this is Pure Derm. But anything that's volcanic is very great. I have two masks that are volcanic for like blackheads and whiteheads. They both do different things, and this is a bubble mask for detoxifying. So I'm excited to try this. Well, I'm excited to try all of the masks. Let's just say that. Okay, green tea bubble tea mask from Annie's Way, which is the same as the first brand that I show you. This on the second brand, Annie's Way. This is another one. This is their bubble tea mask. That's very interesting. But this is a really cute packaging. I really like it. I haven't had bubble tea in a long time. Maybe like a year and a half. This is a pina colada juicy brighten mask. And then lastly, the cutest mask of all packaging. Look at this cute panda. My Panda Synergy Up Collagen Mask. This is by Kiss. This is such an adorable packaging. I don't want to open it. But okay, so those are all the 15 masks that are in this Mask Maven. That is in the limited edition box. So if you like anything in this box, definitely grab yourself the box. So I think this is a great gift set for anyone who loves the sheet mask. And I'm definitely one of those people. I put a sheet mask on every single day of my life. Let's go to the Beauteque box. This is their beauty box. This is also limited edition. I think this is what their normal monthly subscription box comes in, like this really cute baby pink and white decorative box. Yes, so this is their premium beauty box limited edition, and like on the back it also gives you another 30% off your month-to-month subscription. And as before, this is what the inside looks like. It has everything that's curated and why you use it, or why they love it and how to use it. And that's the same with the mask. And this one says, be your best self. Okay, so my camera died, and let's get back into the Beauteque box. So the first thing is the Annie Ways Jelly Spray Calendula. This is what it looks like. It's $10. It retails for $10, and it is a essence spray that's supposed to soften and hydrate your skin. I can just open this quickly for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I hope it focuses. So yeah, so this is the Anyway spray. The next item is this Toly Moly Kiss lip balm. It's in this really cute pink lippy. So this is what it looks like. And this retails for $10. It also has SPF 15 and it's honey extract. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It looks like a very pink honey, and it smells like honey. So this is the Maison Aqua Gel Cream. So this is a gel moisturizer. This retails for $9.99, and it's supposed to replenish and moisturize your skin, and can be used in the morning and evening. I've been looking for a moisturizer, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. And I've used products from this brand before. This brand is actually a really great brand. I'm so sorry if the lighting is a little too bright in here as well. In here we also have a blackhead cleanser by Bob Mickey. I've never tried this brand before. Let's see, what does it say about this? So this is $18. It is supposed to exfoliate and improve skin circulation. Interesting. So this is what the product looks like, and it has like this really weird scrubby. If you can see, it has like this really weird scrubber, face scrubber thingamajiggy. So yeah, this is what the tube looks like. It's really cute. I'm pretty sure you pump on the side right here, and then the product comes out and you just scrub your face with it for like an exfoliating, physical exfoliation. And then in here is also another Maison product. This is the Firme Eye Cream. This retails for $8.99. Like I said, this is just an eye cream, so I'm pretty sure you can use this in the morning or at night. I have a lot of eye creams that my eyes does not like. And I know my eyes don't like an eye cream is when I rub it in the middle of the night, because the fragrance is irritating to me. But I'm gonna give this one a try. It's a really cute design. It has like this animal, floral, and leaf design on the bottom. That's what it looks like. This is also a pore control hyaluronic acid. This retails for $14.99, and it is a serum. This is to improve skin texture and restore natural glow. Help with fine lines and wrinkles. So you could either get the hyaluronic acid, or you could get the B-Joe serum. And I'm pretty sure I just got the hyaluronic acid. This is a cute serum packaging. Yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It's like this really cute piggy. It's clear. I haven't tried from this brand before, Eliza Vecca. So I'm excited to try and see how this works out with my skin. For this serum, you were either able to receive, so like I mentioned, you were either going to receive one of these two serum. So I received that one instead of this one. So you don't have the option to choose which one you wanted, but it'll be a surprise in your limited edition box. We're almost done here, so please hold on. So the next thing I have is this mayo hair pack. This has banana, mayo, and egg yolk all in one to deeply moisturize and nourish your hair. I love hair mask. I know not a lot of people like it because it seems like a hassle to do, but I actually really do like hair masks. So I'm really excited to try this out and tell you guys what I think. And also this hair mask, you only put it in your hair for 30 minutes. And that's not even that long of a time. And then the last product I have is this Charcoal Premium Gel Mask Pack. This is a two-step mask pack. It's a liquid pouch and a powder pouch, and then there's a spatula in here that will help you mix up the mask to apply onto your face. This retails for $7.99, and since this is activated charcoal, it's great for detoxifying and really great for acne-prone skin. Overall, I would have to say that this beauty box is great because it has so much variety of skin product for people who have dry skin, oily skin, combination, and normal skin. So the only two different products that's not skincare related was the banana hair pack and the Tony Moly lip balm. Those are the other two things. I was kind of hoping for more makeup because it's beauty than skincare. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and this unboxing the holiday limited edition boxes from Beauteque. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it super helpful and excited for the holiday. Like I said, these are limited edition premium boxes, so please click the link down below and get yourself a box for your friends or family, or yourself if you're a beauty skincare junkie like me. They do have a variety of discount as well on the website, so I would highly recommend that you check them out. And I didn't read any pricing for the sheet mask because they didn't have any pricing on the brochure, but other than that, you can find all the sheet masks on the website as well as the product if there's a specific product you really want. Thank you so much for watching again. So don't forget to subscribe down below or follow me on Instagram for some review of the products. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!